Kitten. Puppy. Bear. Bunny. Seal. Once upon a time, a tiny kitten was waiting for the rain to stop. Then, a kind girl appeared to keep her new little friend safe and dry. The happy kitten gave his new friend a big hug. Now safely inside, they both knew they would be best friends forever.
Here I catch you, and I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go. Tick, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha, ha, ha.
Fantastic!
I love to tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Whoa.
Tick, 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 tick.
Dog!
Oh!
What do I hear? Uh-oh, uh-oh. What do I see? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Someone's crying. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We need to help her. A fly is crying, she's sick. We need to help her quick. Where should we go? Where should
Cat.
we go? To hospital, to hospital. Don't
Dog.
cry, don't cry. You'll be
Dog.
alright. Ha, 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 ha.
Cat.
Here's a bite, my sweet cat.
Meow, mew.
Oh, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Wow.
Oh no! I'm so sorry! What did I do? I understand! This is perfect!
Meow.
Here you go, little one. Enjoy!
It's better to be good, to be good, to be good. Everything works out when you're good, good. It's better to be good, to be good, to be good, good. When I don't want to sleep, but mommy insists I try to do what I want, but she doesn't let me. This is my bad trick to do what I please.
Wow!
Let's go play. Oh. I want to be a driver. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo, choo, choo. Delivering some food to you. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo, choo, choo. Choo,
Red,
choo, choo, choo,
orange,
clickety-clack.
yellow,
Choo-ga,
green,
choo-ga, choo, choo,
blue,
choo.
purple.
I'm starting with a circle of blue card. Carefully punch holes all along the edge of the blue circle. Thread brown wool back and forth through the holes on one half of the plate. This will show the earth underground. When you're finished, secure the wool with a knot. Cut a carrot shape from the orange fun foam and use a smaller green triangle of foam to cut into leaf shapes. Stick the leaves to the carrot. Then pop your carrot into the soil. You can make any vegetables you like to create a city with an amazing fireworks display overhead. Grab a few small cardboard tubes. Very carefully cut slits into the tubes to create a fireworks stamp. Now dip your fireworks stampers into the paint. Use your painty stampers to print your fireworks onto a coloured piece of card. Grab a black piece of card the same width as your painting and cut out a silhouette. This shape could be a city skyline like London or Sydney, or maybe the shapes are watching your firework display. What a fantastic firework display!